In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a clickable link on Craigslist. In this guide, we will go through how to properly add a link inside your Craigslist post so that it can be opened easily by anyone viewing your listing. This is useful when you want to direct people to a website, social media page, or any external resource connected to your ad. This is useful when you want to direct people to a website, social media page, or any external resource connected to your ad. To begin, open your web browser and go to Craigslist.org. Once the home page loads, look for the option to create a posting and click it. This will take you to the listing setup page where you can start creating your ad. From here, choose the appropriate category for what you are posting and continue to the next step. After selecting your category, you will reach the posting form where you enter your listing details. This includes your title, description, and any other relevant information about what you are offering. The description section is where you will insert your link so viewers can access it when they read your post. To make a link clickable, you need to type it in the correct format. Instead of only writing something like www.youtube.com, you should include HTTPs followed by a colon and 2 forward slashes before the website address. This ensures the link is recognized as an active, clickable URL. This helps the system understand it as a proper web address that users can open directly without confusion. However, in some cases, Craigslist may not automatically make links clickable due to platform rules designed to keep users on their site. If that happens, the best alternative is to clearly write the full link in your description and instruct viewers to copy and paste it into their browser to access it. This ensures your audience can still reach the intended page even if it is not directly clickable. Once everything is added correctly, continue with your posting process and finalize your listing. Always double-check your link before publishing to make sure it is typed correctly and leads to the right destination. Additionally, when adding a link, it is important to check for typing errors because even a small mistake in the address can prevent the page from opening correctly. Make sure there are no missing characters, extra spaces, or incorrect symbols in the URL. Taking a moment to review the link before publishing helps ensure your audience can access it without issues. A clean and properly formatted link improves the overall quality of your post and makes it easier for viewers to trust and interact with your listing. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,